Good morning, my fellow subscribers, audience, and viewers. As always, I'm grateful to everybody. This is Noor Ali, Right Tools for Right Job. In my previous content, I showed you a small vacuum cleaner, kitchen, basically, and a electrical tape, and the issue. Okay, and the issue. So in this video, we will follow the same thing, right? But we're going to give you, so here's the vacuum cleaner again, okay? And as you see, small vacuum cleaner, right? So what I wanted to do in this video is show you how the electrical tape was used, deployed, okay? How we did the fix. So you see this is the most critical part right there. I use the electrical tape to cover the broken wire and the broken jacket. There's a lot of push and pull because, I unwind and wind. I take the cable, loosen it up so I can extend it. Then I got to wrap around the cable onto the cleaner. So it has a stress on certain parts. This is a stress part, that's why it's broken. So I use this to fix it. Right? This was the stress right here related. We saw that earlier, right? And the fix was very simple. Very, very simple. Right here. This was the fix. Right there. So now I'm not worried. And now I'm not going to worry about the cable going to snap or break. I'm not going to worry about electrical short or a burnout or blowing up a breaker in a breaker box, right? So our tool for both of these content, previous to this one and this will be the second set, is the electrical tape. Electrical tape is your friend. Electrical tape will save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and will help you to restore certain cables, electrical cables, power cables, data cables, if you know how to splice it, right? Now, if you've done 100 pairs, if you're a telecom tech, recommended not to splice a 100 pair of cable, or, if you work on 110 block, 66 block, good old days, good old days. So electrical tape, yes. Keep it with your toolkit, use it, apply it, know its benefits, okay? Know its benefits. So with this video, we are going to end this series. So this video is two-part series, right? So the aim and the goal is always will be So aim and the goal always will be to use the electrical tape, save some cost, save your equipment, restore it, so you can use the equipment as long as it's alive. If the motor burns out on that little vacuum cleaner, floor cleaner, I'll end up buying a new one, right? But the aim and the idea in life is to save money, cut the cost, right? That's why restoration, refurbishment, they call it, on any equipment. Could be printers, could be laptops, could be desktops, could be servers. There are other devices that refurbish and restore. Depends on the cost, depends on materials available, and the manpower. Okay? Remember, this is your host, Noor Ali, with Right Tools for Right Job. Again, thank you very much for those who are following me, watching my channel, and always communicating with me in LinkedIn or giving me good comments. I'm grateful. It gives me courage, it gives me strength, and it gives me ideas and how to present, how to tell a story, how to teach simple and basic things to make a great impact. Remember that. Simple and basic things that makes a great impact, and in a hope, right? and aim is that somewhere out there, somebody, some soul is learning something from it. That's the aim and that's the goal. You can't take it with you, right? You can't take it with you. Remember that fortune, fame, wealth, and name. When you die, when you leave this earth, you can't take it with you. So enjoy every moment and enjoy what you do. Have passion for it. And I kid you not, success will come to your doorsteps. All right? If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. As always, thank you very much and have a great day. Bye. God bless y'all.